Compound microscope. Compound microscope, an instrument for magnifying small objects consisting of a lens of short focal length for forming an image that is further magnified by a second lens of longer focal length compared simple microscope. Here is the diagram of a compound microscope. Look at this picture. It consists of an eyepiece. Eyepiece is a lens near to our eye. Eyepiece is a lens near closer to the eye. It is this is called a body. This is called a body tube. And these are objective lenses. Here is a stage on which we place the specimen to see the things. This is adjustment knobs. There are two knobs. One is known as the coarse adjustment and second one is the fine adjustment. And this one is called the base of the microscope. Here is a lamp. There is a lamp to give the light. It consists of simple two lenses. One is called eyepiece, other one is called the objective lens. There is a stage for objective lens. There are more than one lenses. There are more than one lenses which any one of them can be used. So shortly, a structure consists of base, arm, slide with specimen, objective stages, eyepiece, lamp, body tube, adjustment screws, automatic stop and focusing knobs. Ray is a ray diagram. How an object is placed. In this diagram, AB is an object placed near the lens called objective lens. AB is an object. It is placed close to the lens called objective lens. This lens will form the image of object AB within the focal point of second lens. That lens is called eyepiece. This eyepiece will form the magnified image, second image, enlarged image that can be called I2. This larger image I2 is formed outside the focal point of the objective lens. It is made up of two converging lenses. ठीक है? It consists of two converging lenses. The lens closer to the object is called objective lens. The lens closer to objective is called objective lens. The lens closer to the eyepiece is the other lens closer to the eye is called the eyepiece. First, objective lens will make the image of first body within the focal length of the eyepiece. This eyepiece will make this image, the image of this image, again a large image will be formed. In this way it is easier. So it consists of two converging lenses. And why we use two lenses? Because it is easier to get the higher magnification. Last one is the magnification. Magnification is the formula. Magnification is given by the formula m is equals to. Magnification can be found by the formula that I am telling you, L divided by FO into 1 plus D over FE. This magnification gives us the how much time larger image we can see. So in this, objective lens has smaller focal length than the eyepiece, and distance between the two objective lens and the eyepiece is greater than the focal length of objective plus focal length of the eyepiece, and it is used to see the very small objects. Thank you.